Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Okay, folks, we're on to the Ratchet. So this is a 3/4 inch drive Ratchet. So Bonney it's the Bonney 4285 3/4 inch Ratchet. I'm gonna show you footage of me cleaning this up, oiling it up, and getting it back into user mode. So sit back, relax, and check out what I do. Let's whip out our Bonney 3/4 inch drive. Badass. Too bad it's not a 1 inch, 3/4. But this is cool. We're gonna clean all this stuff up. This wasn't coming apart very easy, so I didn't really want to jack with it too much and lose any parts. So let's take it to the wire wheel. So here I'm getting ready to reassemble, and I've put in some 3-in-1 oil to start the lubrication process. Oil going towards the top. Work it in here a little bit. Pretty much this polish here is from the fiber wheel. I think I should do something else. I just figure I just oil it down really good. And we're gonna call this good for right now, unless you guys can think of anything else. You think, I really don't want to put it to a high gloss finish. I mean, this is a beast. So, what do you guys think? So we're going to call this project done here, because this is going to go in the toolbox. That's going to be the next thing to start working on. So hey everybody, well, this is the end of round 3, so one more to go, and that's the toolbox. So we need to get that painted up, or I shouldn't give away what's coming up next. Originally I was going to make it a military type version and just made it to the flat green. So who knows, maybe we'll come up with something here. Hey, leave in the comments what you think, what color I should paint it. Should I leave it that beat up green? Should I go back to that crappy old mustard yellow from the late 50s, the industrial, or who knows? What do you guys think of? So let me know in the comments, and that might influence on what I end up repainting or leaving as is. So, but this concludes our 4285 3/4 inch ratchet, number 3. This concludes number 3 on the series. So up next will be number 4. So stay safe, and we will check you later.